Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to download videos off of HiAnime, TikTok, and it does work on Disney Plus, Netflix, and some other sites. It doesn't work on YouTube though. I've tried that, but it does work on Disney Plus. But I'm only going to be showing you HiAnime and TikTok. So what you're going to want to first do is go to your Google extension, and you're going to want to add extension, and there's going to be a link down in the description for this. I'm just going to link this. You want to download the video downloader Coco Cut. Add that to your extension. I'd pin it just so it makes the process a lot easier. And then once you have it pinned and ready, it's just going to look like this. But once you click on a video, click watch now, then I'm gonna pause it so the audio isn't playing, but with subbed it will not download the captions, so this will typically only work for dubbed because it will only download the video and audio. Now once you get to here, and you'll see up here it shows 2 next to the little icon. I don't think it matters which one you click on, but you click on this icon right here and it'll take you to this site, and I suggest staying on this site because if you don't, I've noticed there's like a 90% chance of success, and then there's a 10% it'll mess up the first 6 to 11 seconds of the video downloaded. But if this isn't working, you can technically go back, because if it doesn't give you 2, you can click force download and it'll bring you to the same page, but this time you choose which one you want to click. Depends on what resolution and bitrate. Click the biggest one and it'll start downloading. But then if that doesn't work, you can go to recording mode, which will take you to the website and start playing the video and record the video. So yeah, that's how this software works. I'm gonna exit out of this because we're done with HiAnime, and now to TikTok. Now TikTok, it's basically the same. I'm gonna refresh the page, mute the video so the volume ain't playing during the recording. Once you get to the video you want, you go over here and same process, but this time I haven't been able to figure out which one is exactly it. So just, I'd say download the biggest one, the kilobyte instead of the millibyte, or no, that would be the smallest one. So you'd want to download the smallest one, save it to your computer, and just double check that it's
in the end.
That wasn't the one we wanted, so now we have to go back, and it probably is this one right here. So we click that to download, and it's going to take more time to download. And then if it isn't, I would suggest, say, going to the person's profile or something. You have to do trial by error, and then click back, and
Excuse
then
me, have you heard about
maybe now it'll allow you to download. No, it's a little finicky, but I guess maybe we could try force download. No, that seems to not want to work. See, sometimes this software is a little finicky, but with some trial and error you can figure out how to operate it. Maybe it just doesn't want to download this video. It might be a promotional one, but yeah, we'll try again real quick just to make sure. Okay, so we got this video. Now it says 2 up here. I'm gonna click the top one and see. Again, you don't want to exit out of this page just in case it glitches out. And it seems that my computer doesn't want to, it's freezing all of a sudden. So let me try again. There we go. And now it's downloading. We're going to make sure that it's downloaded properly. But it should work on Disney Plus as well. So I'm going to try to just show you guys. I'm not going to...
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Video works. So now you can download stuff off TikTok. And it doesn't have the little watermark on here at all. So you get away from doing that. So you could technically just edit this video into the proper ratio, I'm pretty sure, and just repost it if that's your intent. Sometimes people just want to save videos off of TikTok, but we're gonna also, I'm gonna look up Disney Plus real quick and see if I can get on there without having to sign in. I doubt I can get on here without signing in. Yeah. So, but just take my word, it does work for Disney Plus. But being a lot of stuff on Disney Plus takes longer. It will, or it's longer, like hour-long movies. It'll take longer to download. So just anticipate that. But this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys found this helpful, click that like button, subscribe. And I'm going to put the link to this in the description so you guys can find it easily. And I'll see you guys next time.